Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys already know you're the best. So this is me here again with another DIY videos, and in this particular one I'm going to be braiding my hair. I'll be trying the knotless braid for the first time by myself. I mean, this is not the first time I'm doing knotless braid, but this is the first time I'm making the knotless braid by myself. So it is a DIY knotless braid, trying it for the first time. And in my previous twist video I told you guys I have a different method of parting my hair. So this is the actual method I always use to part my hair, apart from the new method I started recently. So this is the usual method in which I use to part my hair, and I'm just going to allow you guys watch through very detailed. What I was doing here is I was parting the hair. I was going to make knotless braid, so I did parting. I parted all the hair, like every single thing, before I go over with the extension, feeding extension to make my knotless braid. So I'm just going to leave you guys to watch carefully until we get to the part where I need to explain for you guys. So in case you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button if you like what you are seeing already. Give the video a big thumbs up, and also share and comment down below if you've tried knotless braid and if you've also tried braiding it on your hair by yourself, if you've tried doing a DIY knotless braid by yourself. And if you also find the feed in difficult, let me know in the comment section so we can try out another method of doing the knotless braid instead of doing the feeding method. So guys, this is what it is looking like after parting all the hair. And guys, look at the way my hair is looking very thick. In case you're not watching my hair care videos, for those who are new to the channel, please do well to check them out. So that's the extension that I'll be using for the knotless braid, and you guys can tell it's a very small extension, like the smallest extension that you can get for as low as 1,250 naira. That was the price I got it, because I wasn't going to do a really long type or heavy something. I didn't want heavy stuff on my hair, because if you guys know me, for those that are here already, I'm not the type that make use of extension that much on my hair. So I said this time I'm going to try and put extensions in my hair, but it won't be much because I'm trying to avoid anything that will cause breakage on my hair because of my hair care journey. So um going to explain. I think from this one you guys can see that is very detailed, like from the video. I don't even need to start explaining, but I'm still going to explain when I'm going to do the next one for those that are beginners, because this is majorly for beginners, because I think people find it difficult to do this feeding method, but it is actually easy, like easy. It is very easy for beginners. At least this video shows it very detailed for those that would want to try it by themselves. So this is me. I took out the pattern, and then the first thing you do is divide your hair into 3 parts, and you have to braid your natural hair first before adding the extension. So you braid it 2 or 3 times. Then you can see the way I'm adding it. You put it in these 2 parts in between that side, and then you add your extension you can see the way I'm holding it. You hold it with that finger, then you braid it carefully, and you add for as much extensions you want to add, but I added three to mine, just three. And if you guys can look properly, I made the braid loose braid. I just don't want it to be heavy, and I want it to look full, even though the attachment is not much, because I used the smallest attachment. So that was just the purpose of making it loose, so that the hair won't look scanty and all that. Baby girl was just busy feeling herself because it's not easy. I think it took me 4 hours to do this. Like, it didn't take much of my time because you guys can tell the hair is not long and it's not full. It's looking like this because I have a very full hair. So if you want to try this, it's a very like low budget hairstyle. You don't need to spend so much money on this. So I decided to curl the ends of the braid to give it some, extra um beauty. Yeah, extra beauty, extra ceremony. So I just use my flexi rod to create a coils for the hair, and I use my hot water. So I added conditioner into the hot water just to make sure that the coils will be very nice and silky, if you know what that means. Yeah. So for beginners, if you are scared, if you are the type that is very scared, make sure you tell somebody to help you with this part, because this part is dangerous. Very dangerous. And you don't want to play with hot water when it comes to your skin. So make sure you have someone to help you out if you are not professional in this. I'm an hairstylist, so this is what I do a whole lot. Even without me doing it on my hair, I do this for others. So yeah, to an extent. I mean, I'm not saying I'm a big professional or something. No, Asha, Asha, they do 'em. I've been doing this, so it's not a new thing for me. But for beginners trying this, make sure you have someone that help you out for the hot water part. So after braiding, you have to do a proper finishing, which is what I was doing here, applying cream and then trimming the ends that are not looking nice. But I was really careful because this hair, the extension I added is short. I was so careful so I don't go and cut off my hair. Those that know me know I have a little long hair. I mean, not long, a little long hair. So this is my mousse as always, to make the coils hold firm so that it doesn't lose its coils. So I use this mousse to make it hold firm, and also the hair as well, because I didn't trim it. I don't want to trim my hair, so I just use the mousse to lay the hairs down to avoid fly out. You know what that means, yeah. So this is what I do. This is what I do to do the finishing. And after all the ceremony, I always make sure I do a finishing for my scalp as well, you know, my oil and all that. Yeah, this is what talking about. I mean, you have to make sure your scalp is well treated and well cared for. So I hope you find this video helpful. I hope this was really helpful, especially for the beginners. I mean, I'm also surprised because this is like my first time of trying the knotless braid, and although it's not something that is new to me, like I braid my hair a lot, but the knotless braid is something that, especially this method, you know, feeding method, usually sometimes can be a little bit difficult, but not that difficult. People just see it that way. So this is what the final look looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up if you've not done that. And yeah, you guys can see that the hair is not even tight at all. Like this thing, it was pain free. If there's a kind of word like that, pain free. Anyways, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. For now, stay safe. Bye.